Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about lemon juice in visible ink. So for this you need a A4 sheet, a bat, a candle and lemon juice. So first you take the lemon juice and the bat. Then you dip the bat inside the lemon juice. Next write the secret message. Now, could you see the secret message? No, we can't reveal the message. Could you see the message? Yes, we can. Now let's see the science behind it. The lemon juice contains carbon components. When heated, it reacts all oxygen and turns brown faster than the paper. Thank you. Bye. See you in next video.